Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम डॉक्टर शहबाज भट्टी है and I'm a minimally invasive neurosurgeon. A neurosurgeon is a doctor who fixes the brain and the spine and other disorders of the nerves. For the brain, you have brain tumors. There can be hydrocephalus, which means water on the brain or pressure. The most common things that come to neurosurgery are spinal problems, which includes sciatica and disc problems. I would say when you have weakness or pain that is not settling with normal medicine, or you've been to your doctor and he has referred you, or you have some sort of numbness or tingling in any part of your body. Posture is definitely one of the leading causes of spine problems, especially with the advent of cell phones, and we're seeing a lot of younger people suffering from neck pain and neck diseases. The best thing you could do is regular exercise, especially people who are working on desk jobs on the computer or people who are on cell phones all the time. I would suggest every hour just take a little break, have a little stretch, and that's the best thing you can do for yourself. हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग डरते हैं कमर का ऑपरेशन कराने का या मोरों का ऑपरेशन कराने से. This is something I would like to highlight is that when the doctor tells you to get a surgery, that's the best time to get a surgery, because surgery will not cause paralysis. It's the other way around. Usually people get paralyzed and then they go for surgery, and then the chances of recovery are pretty slim. So thank you Excel Lab for giving me this opportunity to talk to the people and tell them about the importance of back pain and other neurological symptoms.